It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2016 Kia Sorento SX. Taking a look inside the front of the Sorento, the driver's door has power locks, power windows, and auto express windows, the child lock button, power adjustable side mirrors, power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat. The left of the steering wheel has our park assist buttons, lane departure alert, traction control, and our power liftgate button. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'll climb in. We'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our audio buttons and the right side has the cruise control buttons. Here we have the digital dash. Next, our infotainment center. It's a touch screen that displays the time. It's also got the CD player up above, navigation, and the map. And it also doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the view by pushing those buttons down at the bottom. To the left here is our engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, a heated steering wheel, some USB and power plug-ins. We've got our various drive modes, and we also have park assist and the camera view. At the front of the Sorento, we've got fog lights, a 3.3-liter V6 engine under the hood, 19-inch aluminum wheels. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, window vents on all four windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the black button to lock or unlock the doors, and a power liftgate at the rear. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, heated rear seats. We've also got our window shade. We're able to unhook that with ease and drop it down. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has rear fans, USB ports, and power plug-ins. And to fold these rear seats down, simply pull the lever located on the side of the seat. So come take a look at the 2016 Kia Sorento SX today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.